Hi friends, this is Hari Krishnan, and this video is about creating PDF documents with multiple images. Okay, the purpose is very simple. Now students started to use virtual classrooms where faculty are giving assignments and students they are writing it in a paper, and they are taking snapshot of whatever content they have written and they are posting it to their faculty. When the number of pages is more than 5 or 6, the process seems to be a little tedious one. Okay, so to avoid that, uh, we are asking the students to compile all those images in a PDF document, and we are asking them to submit the single PDF document. Okay, so this particular video clip will give them an idea of how to create PDF documents out of their images. Okay, fine. So for that process, I'm using a Fastscan application. The reason for using this is a lightweight component. Okay, so here it is, the app Fastscanner. Okay, when compared to Cam Scanner, it is a very lightweight application, so I would suggest you to use Fastscanner application. Okay, so open this one and you could find a document here. This is the document section where you can organize your works. Okay, so whatever current images you are working on, you can just organize it into documents. Okay, a document can have multiple images. For example, this particular document is having 2 images inside it. Okay, so let me show it to you. I'm opening it and you could see 2 images inside it. So likewise, you can organize images inside a document and you can convert it to a PDF document. Okay, fine. In 2 ways you can bring images inside this document. Okay, one way is using the camera app inside this application here on the bottom, right? So you could locate a camera icon, so just open that icon and take snapshots of your images. Okay, here you have an icon here on the left side, so that defines whether you're going to work on single photographs or else you are working on batches. That means you can click some 5 or 6 photographs at a stretch and you can just work on it, right? So that sort of an option will be given in batch mode. Okay, fine. So this option we are going to use it later. And another one, I've already taken some photographs of my assignments. Okay, so whatever things needed, I've already taken photographs of it and I've kept it in my gallery. Okay, I need an option to import it, right? So you can find that option on the top here, the 3 dots. Okay, so if you press the 3 dot option, you'll have an option called import from gallery. Okay, if you choose that, it will take you to gallery and you can import your files from there. Okay, now let us assume this scenario. Okay, I need to submit an assignment, and the assignment I've written is having 3 pages. Okay, I have taken photograph of first 2 pages and I've kept it in gallery, right? The third page I have to take a photograph of it. Okay, so this is the scenario. So my first 2 pages is available in gallery, and third page I have to take the photograph from this application. Okay, right. So the first thing I have to do is I have to import both these pages now. Okay, so I'm going to just choose import and I have to upload the file. Okay, so but just by tapping on the image it will get added. Okay, so you have to press add option on the top. So press the add option so that both the images, okay, they are going to get imported after a 2-step process. Okay, so you have 2 processing steps here. First process is cropping. You're going to remove unwanted space from your image. It is more flexible one. Okay, so it is not that you have to keep a rectangle form, you can adjust it anyhow. Okay, right, so adjust it so that it is covering all the content and removes unwanted space. Okay, you have to do this process for all the images. Okay, so I've uploaded 2 images, so you have to do it for those 2 images. Okay, so this one is fine. Yeah, okay, so on pressing this tick mark you will be taken to the second process. Okay, so we have done the cropping process, right? So I'm moving on to the second process, adjusting contrast. Okay, so you could see the options on the bottom. It is having 6 options actually. One is hidden there on the right side here. Black and white options, photo, color and gray. Okay, you might know the name, right? So black and white options will give you a look like you have taken a Xerox copy from the material. Okay, so if you take a Xerox copy of your material, it will look like the same. Okay, so such sort of a view if you need, you can use the black and white option. and it is having 5 different shades, right? Each and every option will have 5 different shades from dark to light. Okay, so I'll just quickly run through it. This is the lighter version of the image, and this is the darkest version. Okay, so you could see a little difference. Okay, and photograph view, if you need it, you can just choose this one. Okay, so this is the dark view, and this one is the lighter view. Okay, right, so I'm going to choose the color option for this particular assignment, so that it will give a clear view of it. So it will remove unwanted colors, and if it is blue, it is going to just keep only one shade of blue, so the assignment will look clean. Okay, it is not suggested to use for all the images. For this particular assignment, I'm going to use the color option. Okay, so whichever is better for you, you can use it. Okay, once you choose this one, this particular contrast will be applied to all the images you have taken with this set. Okay, so on pressing the tick mark, the contrast is applied to both the images. Okay, fine. So you could have noted my first image is actually the second page, right? Here, this is the second page, right? So I want to rearrange it, right? So to rearrange, I have the option here on the right side. You could see 3 parallel lines. Just click and hold it and just drag it. Okay, so that you can rearrange pages very quickly. Okay, right, so we have rearranged 2 pages. Now that I have to add my third page, right? I have prepared 3 pages. I have took 2 pages, 2 photographs of the pages, and third page I have to now take. So I have to use the plus icon here, because I'm going to add a new page to this one. So I'm pressing the plus icon, and I'm now focusing on my assignment's third page. I'm clicking on it. Yes, I got the image now. And again the same process. Okay, so you have to go through the 2 processes. First one is cropping, and second one is just press the tick mark on the top, and the second process is color adjustment or contrast adjustment, right? So my third page, this is my third page. Okay, fine. So I'm going to press the tick icon. Okay, so now my document is having 3 pages. Okay, the document is still unnamed. Okay, so if you want it for the future references, you need to name it properly. So this is the assignment submitted for testing, so I have to rename the document. To rename the document, you have to press the 3 dots on the top, and from the options you have rename document option here. Select it. Okay, just select the rename option and type a meaningful name. Testing assignment 1. So I've given a name for this assignment. Okay, and what else we have to do? Just go and check from the main screen. So you have your testing assignment, which is having 3 pages. Okay, so here you could see the number of pages, right? Okay, so now we have prepared our assignment in the right way, and it is the final stage. Now we are going to prepare the PDF document out of this images. Okay, so what options we got? The simplest of ways, if you are going to attach it to mail, means you can just use the share button. Okay, which is here. Right, not for the classroom option. If you want to mail it, okay, so just press the share button and it will give you the option to share. On clicking this, you will see the option. The document will be attached as a PDF here if you choose this, or else you can make it as a JPG format. Okay, if you are choosing the second option, all those 3 images will be made as 3 different attachments and it will be added, right? So we have to make sure whether which one we need. Okay, so I'm getting back and I'm again pressing the 3 dots here. Okay, now we have multiple options to create Word documents, sorry, PDF documents, right? First one is open PDF, the second one, right? Open PDF, select this. With any application you have in your mobile to view PDF documents, it will open it up. Okay, so if you have any option to share it or to save or to download, you can just use this. Okay, if you press download, it will be downloaded in the downloads folder. Okay, so this option is available for you. And second thing is, you can save this one to storage. Okay, ultimately we need this option, right? And but we have to make sure that the location of the file where it is going to get saved. Okay, so just have a view, keep an eye on this particular area. Okay, so here only it is going to show the folder name. I'm giving save to storage. Now see here on the bottom, save to folders, Fastscanner PDF. Okay, so I'm getting outside, and I'm going to locate that file in file manager. Okay, I'm opening the file manager, and we know that the folder name is fastscanners_pdf. Okay, so phone storage, I'm opening, and I'm giving all files, and we need to find the Fastscanner PDFs folders. Yeah, it is here, right? You are able to see it, right? Fastscanner PDF here. So I'm going to open that folder, and here is my assignment. I'm opening it now. Yeah, the document is having 3 images, right? So now we got to know how we could import image inside the PDF Fastscanner application, and we are able to export it as PDF document. That's it. Okay, so here we come to the end of the video, right? So if you have any queries, you can just post it on the comment section, or else you may directly call me. Thank you so much.